CRCL stock analysis and CRCL stock prediction. This is for Thursday and onwards. All I will be doing in this brief and short 1 minute video showing you my exact play. I'm the only guy in the space has done 42,000 videos over 5 years and documented everything. And currently, mate, unless I see any sort of shift, I don't care about buying or none of that. You know, ultimately when it was like 73, 76 bucks, it's like how that looked like. Yeah, it was 76. Look to take it to 104. This is where it all began, like just 3 weeks ago. And since then, it's been so Gucci. Currently, like, we're in this correction phase, which by the way is totally fine, totally normal part of the game, because like the only thing that I would do is buy as long as there is a double break, and if not, well, I guess I'm not going to be buying. You know, it's totally simple and straightforward. There you go. And this is so Gucci. And I do have previous receipts with CRCL in the Discord. Now, if you want to learn all that sauce, the exact intricacies, absolutely risk-free, click the first link in the description. You will learn all of this jazz here. It's taken me to 5-10k months. And